Okay, so what have we got for daily message? See if we got any names, oh, cards coming out already. There's deceit going around. Somebody is hiding something from you. You already know about this. There's no smoke without fire, I'm being told. We've got a name here, Philip. Somebody's hiding something from a Philip, or it could be a Philip in spirit trying to warn you. Four of Wands, an invitation to something. Be careful of this invitation. There's more on the agenda, but then this invitation, they're wanting something that you're not ready to give them. This could be in an intimate nature, but they definitely want to be with you, but you may have to set your boundaries. It's not the right time for you yet. This could be something to do with your religion, something like that. Jolene? Something like that. I don't got that name. There's definitely coming together. There's something really lovely here, and oh, the fires are burning with it.